Hello, lesson is lesson number 2, and we dedicate it to this verb, can. Okay, you remember it. So, how do we use it? And why do we use it? First of all, now, can express ability. Yes, you can. Let's see some examples and the structure of this verb. First of all, in a sentence you put the subject, I, plus can, I can, and then the verb. For example, I can sing. Okay, here are some more examples. I can play the piano. She can take really good picture. And we can use the computer, or you can speak English. Yes, you can, of course. In negative sentences, the third place is always for the subject. Primo posto, soggetto, I. At the second place, you have cannot or can't, and then the verb again. For example, I cannot play the guitar, or we cannot use the computer lab, or French. Okay? Is it clear? Let's go. Interrogative sentences. Now, in these sentences, at the third place, il primo posto is for can, then the subject, and then the verb. Very easy. Can I go to the toilet, please? Oh, yes, of course, you can. Can you dance? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Now, the second use of can is for asking for permissions or giving prohibitions. So we will look at some signs you can see on the road. Okay, let's go. This one, for example. Have you seen it? Can I park? No, I can't park here. It's forbidden. È vietato. There is this red circle and this red line. It's forbidden. But can I park over there? Yes, look at the sign. It is totally different. This is a parking area. Yes, you can. Now, speed limit. Limite di velocità 25 or 40 kilometers. Who knows? How fast can I drive by these roads? I can drive at 25 kilometers per hour. Okay? Otherwise, no smoking. Can I smoke in this pub? No, you can't. It's forbidden. But can I smoke in this restaurant? Pay attention. Designated smoking corner. Yes, you can smoke in the smokers area. Okay? Not everywhere. And can I talk here? Posso parlare qui? Remember, you can't talk in the library. Non puoi parlare in biblioteca. Library. Now, let's go. I will give you some homework to do. Here is the first one at page 14. Your mom can cook. Can you? Ask your mom or dad or brother or sister and complete the chart on your exercise book. Put a tick or a cross. For example, I can ask my dad, can you drive a car? Or my mom, Mom, yes, I can. And you? No, I can't. And so you will make all these questions. It's an interview. You will put it on your exercise book. And here, write what you can or can't do. Adesso scrivi tu quello che sai fare o non sai fare. For example, I can play the piano, I can speak Japanese, I can ski, I can swim, etc. I can teach. Okay? Now, I hope you understood everything. Spero di essere stata chiara. A big hug to you and see you next. Bye!